Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel, or if you're new here, welcome to my channel. Today I want to show you juice that I always love to make. I would prefer juice over smoothies, and my mom recently sent over this beet juice and I've been really loving it, so I wanted to show you how I make my beet juice concoction. So before we get started, I'm going to show you the ingredients that you will need. I have just red beet crystals, and as I mentioned, my mom actually sent this over, and this is organic red beet juice crystals. Yeah, it is, I think it's just, there's not even any other ingredients list because it's just straight up beets. And then I have an orange. I don't know what kind of orange this is, but just an orange, and a lemon, some water, like to use filtered water, and then just for the tools that you will need, you'll need a juice jar or wherever you're going to put the juice, or you could consume it right away. I like to prepare this and I like to bring it to work, so I usually will put it in this kind of juice jar. You need a tablespoon, a little juice squeezer, just bought this at Winners, and you will need a knife and a cutting board to cut the fruits. Anyways, I want to show you guys how I make this, and it's super easy and super healthy. So here we go. This is actually from a juice place that I got, and then I just kept the jar. So I will put some water in it. Fill it up to about that, because I want to leave room for some of the juice that I add. And then I will use the beet crystals here, and I'll put 1 tablespoon of the beet crystals, like that, in there. And I will mix it first. Mix it really good here. There we go. So once that's done, I will start off with my orange first, and I will cut this in smaller pieces so that it fits in my little juicer squeezer. I'll just put it in like this, and then what I'll do is squeeze it like that. And I normally like to use 1 full orange. And now it's time for the lemon. I don't actually like to use a lot of the lemon because it's already very sour. So I'll usually use half a lemon, but it really depends on the taste. Okay, so let's taste it. Mmm. So good. So this is just my preference of fruit that I put in there. So if you want, you can put your own, I don't know, apples or whichever you like. And I don't have a juicer, so this is how I kind of make my own juice. But yeah, so I'll basically have this for work, for drinking, and it's really good, it's really easy, and it's healthy. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and make sure to like, comment, and subscribe, and stay tuned for my next video. I drop new videos every Sunday. Bye guys!